I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening a plain text editor and creating a new file. Name it with a Cmd extension so Windows recognizes it. Once done, set encoding to ANSI or UTF-8 without BOM to avoid invisible characters that break scripts. You should begin the file with an echo off to keep the console clean, then add a comment line with rem describing purpose so you remember why you created it. You now write the script's actions, starting with directory management using pushed and popped or explicit paths to avoid context errors. Make sure to set variables with set name equals value and reference them as %name% so your values persist across lines. Once you include loops or conditionals, like for an if, add clear labels and use exit/b to return from subroutines. This keeps flow predictable and prevents unintended fall-through when the script runs. You should save the file with a Cmd extension and run it. Right-click Run as administrator if tasks require elevation. Test incrementally. Insert echo statements, use pause, and redirect output to a log file so you can inspect behavior. When finalizing, make the file read-only if needed and document usage at the top. If things go wrong, check file encoding first, then verify paths and variable expansion. These 3 fixes resolve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.